what's up? Brent from Brenspeed. Thanks so much for watching Brenspeed TV. Today it's going to be neat. It's going to be short, but it's a 2010 Dodge Challenger by Saleen. It's the 570X. We're going to watch a dyno pull. We're going to go down, take a look at the engine compartment, tell you what's on this car. But it's pretty rare. It only has 4,400 miles. So if you like videos like this, please subscribe and notify us if today. I have Doug with me. Let's go check it out. All right, it's a 2010, it's an automatic. They're 5.7 liter, 93 octane. Doug, come down, take a look. What is on this? I want to talk a little bit about Saleen, but this has a Kenne Bell supercharger. It's just over 7 pounds of boost, laying down over 500 raw horsepower through the auto. Cool car. Hey, check that out. Steve Saleen signature right there on this 2010. But hey, Steve Saleen has a lot of history, and we have a lot of history with them. We used to sell a lot back in the day, 3-valve Mustang Saleen Superchargers. I also used to race for Saleen back in the day, but something cool is if you have a Saleen or even an SMS, when they kind of switched over, could be Camaro, Challenger, Mustang, we can get you taken care of here at Brenspeed in Indiana. But step one, what supercharger? We get a lot of phone calls. I want to tell you this before we watch the dyno pull. What supercharger is on your car? You're going to call and you're going to say, hey, I've got this SMS car, I've got the Saleen car, it's got a Saleen supercharger, but Doug, I'm going to show you something. So this right here is a Kenne Bell supercharger, but if you just kind of look at it, you're going to see all the Saleen logos, Saleen stickers. You're going to call and say, hey, I've got a Saleen supercharger. We really need to know what's on there because a lot of different ones have been used. There were times where they made their own. That's a Kenne Bell, they put their stickers on. You'll see E4 superchargers on some of these vehicles with the Saleen logos on it. You'll see Whipples, I believe, on them. But it's no big deal. If we know exactly what you have, we can get you taken care of. Get the car tuned, get max performance. This car is awesome. Instant torque, wide open throttle, through the auto. Check out this dyno pull. All right, we're going to check out the dyno numbers. Then we're going to take another look at the vehicle. This is on our dyno jet. We rate our dynos numbers SAE, smoothing 5. Come over and take a look. 507 raw horsepower, peaking at 5,500. I love the torque, 504. Peaking early, 3,800 RPM. And Doug, back up. That stays across the board, 500. We are peaking at 7.81 pounds of boost. You know, we're probably 7 most of the time across. It slowly creeps up, but we use, SAE rating. You watch a lot of Dodge videos. I've noticed a lot of shops that only do Dodges do standard ratings. It's just the way the number displays. That 507 is 519 if you're rating standard. But check this car out. 4,400 miles. It's awesome. I love the wheels on it. It's a clean car, but it should be a clean car. 4,400 miles. Check out the interior. Check this out. I love the seats. You got the Saleen stitching on it. You have the blue in here that matches the car. It's a sick setup. So, hey, I'm Brent from Brenspeed. We're located in Indiana. Maybe you wonder what all we do here. We do a lot of different things. I'll put a link to a shop tour at the end. I'll walk you around the shop to give you a really good idea of what we do. But if you have a Saleen or SMS, Mustang, Challenger, maybe Camaro, whatever, and maybe you don't know exactly what you have, but you want more power, we can get you taken care of because we do these cars all the time. That's it for today. Subscribe, notify us, stay up to date. Thanks so much for watching.